If you've ever found yourself reorganizing your Confluence workspace, you know sometimes a page, or even a whole batch of them, needs to be deleted. But what if you accidentally remove the wrong page or realize later you need that info back? Today, I'm going to show you not only how to confidently delete Confluence pages and page hierarchies, but also how to restore them safely if you change your mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your Confluence site tidy, organized, and just as importantly, recover from mistakes. Let's dive right in with deleting a page. First, find your way to the page you want gone. Maybe it's an outdated meeting notes page or a long-forgotten test page that's cluttering up your navigation. Once you're on the page, look to the upper right corner for the More Actions menu. This is those three little dots, sometimes called the meatball menu. Go ahead and click that. You'll see an option called Archive and Delete. Select that and then choose Delete. But don't worry, Confluence won't let you accidentally delete something important without double-checking. If the page you're deleting is a parent, meaning it has child pages nested beneath it, Confluence will open up a dialog box. Here you have to choose. Do you want to delete just this one page and let its children move up a level, or do you want to delete the entire hierarchy, all the pages beneath it as well? Take a moment to think about the structure of your space here. If you're not sure, you may want to view the page tree before making your final decision, just in case there's something valuable living under that parent page. Next, you'll get one final confirmation step. Confluence will warn you, especially if there might be broken links pointing to this page from elsewhere. This is a nice safety net, so pause for a moment and double-check you're ready. This confirmation is crucial because once you hit delete, the page and its children, if you chose that option, will be moved into the trash. There is an exception here I want to highlight. If you're deleting a draft or a page with unpublished changes, that content is wiped instantly and can't be restored from the trash. So if you think you might need something, it's a smart idea to publish before deleting. Alright, let's say you realize later that you deleted the wrong page or need something back. Restoring is absolutely possible, but you'll need space administrator permissions, so if you don't have them, ask your admin buddy to help. Assuming you do, start on the space sidebar, look for Space Settings, which essentially acts as the control panel for your workspace. Click into the Content tab, then select Trash. You'll see a list of all the pages that have been recently tossed. Scroll through, find the one you need, and click Restore. One important thing to remember here. The restored page reappears at the very top level of your space, not its original spot. Imagine cleaning your closet and tossing everything into a bin, but when you pull things back out, they're all sitting in your living room. You need to hang them back up yourself. Similarly, any permissions inherited from its old parent page are reset, so you'll want to move your restored page back to where it belongs and check the permissions if your space is locked down in certain areas. And that's it. Navigating page deletion and recovery in Confluence is straightforward once you know where to look and what to watch out for. If this was helpful, give the video a like, and if you have any lingering questions about Confluence or suggestions for future tutorials, drop them in the comments. I really do read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.